Recently, someone dropped a comment on my YouTube channel asking me to make a tutorial on how to design ebook covers on Canva. And I said, yes, of course, absolutely. I'm going to make a tutorial on that as soon as possible. And that is exactly what you're watching right now. So take a look at this ebook cover. I designed this on Canva using my smartphone, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you exactly how you can design this yourself on Canva using your smartphone step by step. So if you are ready, I want you to let me know that you're ready. Like this video, hit the subscribe button, and you can drop a comment in the comment section. Are you ready? Let's go. I'm going to take you right now into my own smartphone screen where I'm going to be showing you practically step by step how you can create beautiful and attractive ebook covers on Canva. Let's go. Okay, here we are on Canva for this tutorial. Now, if you're using Canva for the first time, or let's say for the first time in a long time, this is what the interface looks like. This is exactly what it is. Very, very, very simple. Now, to begin, what you want to do is to click on this search bar right here that says search templates. Click on it, and then you are going to search for ebook cover. Now, the reason we're searching for an ebook cover is not so that we can use the templates. No, the reason we're searching for an ebook cover, as you can see, there are so many templates right here. The reason we're searching for these ebook covers is so that we can use the dimension. Every design has its dimension. For example, you have designs that are 1080 by 1080p pixel, which is perfect square. You have designs that are 920 pixel by 500 pixel, just like that. So we need something that is portrait and the actual ebook size, ebook cover size. And instead of trying to guess the specific measurement, all you need to do is search for a template. And then when you see all these templates, you don't need to click on the template, just click on create blank right here. This would give you the perfect dimension. When I make tutorials like this, I make them with beginner mindset, because I know a lot of people that watch my tutorials are complete beginners in design. So yeah, so I'm trying to make this really, really simple for you to understand. So that's why I'm following this procedure. Anyway, let's wait for the canvas to load and then we can start designing. So as you can see, we have a plain white canvas where we can start making our design, and it has the real the accurate dimension for an ebook cover. Now this ebook looks beautiful, like I showed you earlier in the video, but it's actually very simple, and you would find out soon why I said it's really simple. Trust me. So the first thing that we will begin with is the background of the ebook. Every design you begin with, you have to start with every design you work on, you have to start with the background. You have to decide if you want to make it white, if you want to choose a specific color for it, or whatever. So for this, let's try something fun. So I'm going to make it let's say green. So I'll click on this, then I'll click on color, and then I'll click on the plus sign right here. But instead of making it a plain green like this, I'm going to make it a gradient. So click on gradient right here, and then we're going to select the gradient color. Gradient basically is a combination of two or more colors. So as you can see, we have this color right here, and then we have this one. So I'm going to click on this one and make it green. Let's say this green. Then I'm going to click on this one and make it still green, but something like lemon, something like this. Yeah, and then I could choose the different shades of different shades of gradients that we have. So we have this one or this one. So I think I'll go with this. Yeah. So now let's go back. Now we have our background ready. The next thing we'll do right now is to insert text. So click on text right here and then click on add a heading. So I want to type make money online. That's what I want to type. That's the title of the book. make make money online. So what I would do is to first of all increase the size of this text like this, and then I would click on font. You can see it's black. We'll change the color, don't worry. I'll click on font, then scroll to Montserrat, use Montserrat, then click on color, and then click on white. But instead of using white, let's click on the plus sign, then come here and let's choose a different color, like something not necessarily white, or instead we can just use our white. Let's just use white, you know. Let's just use white. Let me not make it complicated. So I'm just going to click on the text, then scroll to where I have advanced, and then I would reduce the line spacing, obviously, and then I would reduce the letter spacing as well. Yeah, like this. Then I'm going to click on element right here, and then I'm going to search for curved line, curved line, like this. So I'll click on see all right here, and then I would click on this one. I think I like this. Then I'll scroll, click on color, make it white. Boom. Then let's add a sub text. So click on this text, click on add a subheading, and let's type in this step a step-by-step guide on how to make at least $100 online every week with your smartphone. So this is the subheading or subtext. I'll reduce the size obviously and place it right here like this. The next thing we're going to do is to add money. You know, we're talking about money right here now. So click on element and search for dollar bills. So we're going to search for dollar bills. Or let's say $100 bill. And let's wait for some images to load up. Okay, cool. We have some $100 bills. So we have this one, which is like cool. We're going to see the different ones we can use. Okay, let's click on this. So we have this one. Let's take it up. Yeah. Let's reduce the size, bring it down a bit. Like this. So here we go. We have this. Looks good. Yeah. The next thing is to put in let's put in the name of the author of the book at the base. So click on this, add a subheading, then let's type in Benjamin as the author of the book. Then we're going to place this at the base, obviously. Then let's make it tiny font. Yeah, just like that. So here we go. Let's insert another dollar bill. So let's say maybe we could insert this one. No, not this one. We could insert, let's say, this one. But this time we'll make it blurry. So first of all, let's position it, increase the size. Let's position it right here. Then scroll to where you have effects, click on effects. Then click on blur. Then click on whole image. Then increase this. And then let's go back. And here we go. We have this. We might even want to make this blurry. Let's try. Let's make this other one blurry. I'll go to effects, click on blur, click on whole image, then increase it. Okay. Not bad. Yeah. That's it. Then we could also add a dollar sign. So I'll click on this. Let's add a dollar sign. We could add this golden one. Let's add this golden one. First of all, remove the background. Click on this BG remover, which is background remover. Yeah, then reduce the size, obviously. Then let's place it right here, like this. Boom. So here we go. So this is it. This is our ebook cover. This is the actual design. So the next thing would be to turn it into a mock-up, a mock-up just like this, just like what you're seeing right now. But to make this tutorial not too long, I decided I would make that into a separate tutorial. So use the link in the video description to watch the next video that would show you how to turn your ebook design like this. This is your ebook cover design. It's complete. All you need to do is turn it into a mock-up so that it looks presentable for like online promotion and all that. So that will be in a separate tutorial. Just use the link in the video description to access that other video. So that's it. I'll see you on the next one.